Honey garlic glazed salmon. This savory sweet salmon never disappoints. Searing fish might seem intimidating, but once you get the hang of it, it'll be second nature. Just follow these easy tips. Check for bones. The average pack of portioned supermarket salmon typically doesn't have any remaining pin bones to worry about. But it's definitely best practice to double check. If you cut your portions from a larger fillet, the chance of finding a pin bone or two is higher. To check for bones, gently run your fingers along the surface of the fish until you feel a slight prick. Using a pair of kitchen or fish tweezers, firmly grip the bone and pull in the direction that it's naturally pointing. Seriously hot pan. Like screaming hot. It's important that you get your pan hot and the bottom of your pan thoroughly coated in oil. Once the fish hits the oil, you should hear a sizzle. If you don't, your pan isn't hot enough. Safety first. Catching a stray splatter of hot oil hurts. To help keep it all in the pan where it belongs, remember to gently place your fillets away from you to prevent oil splatter. Do not disturb. Let the fillets cook, undisturbed, for a few minutes. That, along with the aforementioned high heat, is how you get that delicious crust. After about 3 minutes, use a spatula gently lift a corner of one fillet. If it releases easily, it's ready to go. If not, give it a little more time. Flip, cook a few more minutes to get the skin crisp and the fish cooked through, and you're good to go. Refrigerate leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days. Bon appetit!